Hello, my esteemed viewers, my team of profit, my team of hustlers. Today we're going to scroll through the internet and we see best ways you can hustle, no more ideas to get quick money. Thank you again for the subscriber rate. Let's make it to 400 this month. I would be very happy. Make all this kind of videos. Make money online. Just for beginners and for pros. I have a lot of videos here for you to choose from. Make sure to go ahead and check them out. Subscribe the channel. I produce videos every week. So let's go ahead and just start from nowhere. So we are just going to serve normally things that you can know. Just keep this in mind. I'm going to show you everything with sincerity. How you can get paid, how often, how truly you can get paid, how disturbing, how hard you can get paid, how hard the tasks can be. Making money online is not easy. It's tough. It's tough, but you need to know what you need to know. All this I'm going to explain to you. So number one is paid surveys. Paid surveys is one of the most common field outside there. If you type on internet paid surveys, it'll give you a ton of them. I see Fiverr is number one survey jury. So they're going to say earn 75 or more per day. Start online survey work. I don't know how true that is. This one looks true. But even $2.5, it's really hard. Maybe you do a task of 1 hour. Paid service really won't get you anywhere. They're not really much paying. But there are people who have got money from it. It's very small though. There's an app I do, but it's only in my country. And they can give me like 0.1 cents for one task which will take me 1 minute to do. It's hectic though. So you can sign up for free. It's really easy. You answer a few questions and then the money keeps on accumulating in your account until you reach maybe $10. Then you can withdraw. Number two of the apps that you can get paid immediately as is called user testing. User testing, when you type user testing, is again on Fiverr. But why am I not mentioning Fiverr? I mean, I want to show you tasks that you can be paid immediately. When you serve this, they'll give you a bunch of websites. Just scroll through. There is this one here, user testing. It's American based. They only give work to Americans. So if you're in Africa, this might not be a good thing for you. This is one of the best sites with user testing. There are jobs available all the time. Then you see here there is a user testing, trying to see if it's a legit site. Of course, it's a legit one. I've actually got paid a lot of money just using user testing. There's this one here, but they pay very little money here, very little money. This actually pays a lot of money, like $10 and above. User testing, $10 and above. Then my favorite is of course Userlytics. This one here. This website here is actually going to pay anyone anywhere in the country. Doesn't matter which continent you're in, doesn't matter which age you're in, they'll pay you. It's different though with user testing. User testing accepts only people from America, and the sign up process is really hectic. And if you see, they're kind of the same sites. I believe these are all American-based websites. I have my cat tool here that will tell me how many people are visiting this website. Here you're saying it's 3 million people visiting their website. Let's check with Userlytics. Userlytics is also almost 1 million. Yeah. So, see, trust me when I tell you this website pays a lot of money. Yeah, a lot of money. A lot to people to test the website. Just to scroll on and speak your mind, what you think about the website. If you like it, if you're managing to scroll through or do what you wanted to do. They'll give you a task to do on a website. If you fail, it's still okay, as long as you record yourself speaking, just as I am speaking right now. So that is it. So user testing is really a good setup for people. If you want $10 immediately, it's really quick, 5 minutes, and you get done with the job. You see, user analytics is everywhere. There is this one here, but of course, if you're going to go for user testing, I recommend just two. If you're in America, first choice, go for user testing. This one here on top, this one, user testing. If you're not in America, don't go for user testing. Go for user analytics. It's also the same. They do the same job. Only this one here, they do worldwide, anywhere. The process of sign up, you see, all you need is an email address. Put your email address, press sign up, and they'll send you work to do with instructions on how to do. They'll even tell you the amount of money you'll be earning from that job. You can earn up to $90, which is really a good thing. Then the other one is a risky one called forex trading. Forex trading is kinda a very nice job that you see here. I have my chart open, but you need to know how this operates. You need to know how it operates, like in every way. But that's not a problem if you are familiar with computer work. All you have to do is sign up a free account, put in your money like $10, then go to Play Store, or those who are using iOS, go to your Play Store and just download free apps for signals, and they'll give you, just copy and paste the signals for trading, and you'll get money for free. So okay, that is it. Then the other option, of course, is Fiverr. Fiverr, you have to post your work, what you can do, what you're capable of doing. I find it somehow annoying, but it works. If you believe you know how to do something, sign up on Fiverr, then get clients physically. Tell them to pay you through Fiverr. Tell them to order your service through Fiverr, so that when people come in here, they can see that you have 77 people who have ordered your service, and it will add some good portfolio to your account. So go here, learn anything, website design, logo design. I have a tool I use, it's called Canva. So you can learn a lot of things using this tool. It's so simple. You can do logo design, you can just get templates, change the colors, change the items, and you're good to go. Canva is free to sign up. All you need is an email address. You can create a logo even when you don't know. Like, just check this out. It's a very simple platform. I don't even know how to explain to you. So if you don't know any skill, just I recommend go to Canva. Go to Canva and figure out if you can do designs, logo design, YouTube thumbnails, a lot more, and then go and post that work into Fiverr. Register for a free account, get a PayPal account that links to this so that they can pay you. So this person is just doing, I'll review your website and sales funnels to improve conversions, $10, and this person is just going to do 3 minutes. Test on desktop, mobile test is available, $10, 20. You see, for 15 minutes, it's going to earn $30, which is good. So that's kind of the short video I had for you. Bonuses, I can say, learn a skill. Tell friends on Facebook that you can do a skill like web design. You see here, I was telling you, I have this kind of logo here, so I can select one, and it's just like that. A logo is working, and this is the best option you can do. You've just taken 1 minute, 1 second to click a template, and it's boom, it's there. So that is Canva for you. Yes, tell friends a skill you can do. You see, information moves more than fire. If you tell a friend is going to tell a friend. So you'll find jobs, tell them to order jobs through Fiverr, so that you get credit from people, you get reviews, they write a review for you, so people can trust you. Then they'll buy more from you. The more people buy from you, the more money you're going to make. So that is it for me. Subscribe if you like the video to support my channel. Yes, that is it for today. I love you guys. Bye.